The New Yam Festival celebration of Akanu Ohafia is here again. The Akanu Autonomous Community in Abia State, Nigeria, cordially invite you to the 2023 Iriji New Yam Festival, Ohamoha and Ekekbe, the Akanu Ohafia, which is dated 9th September 2023. Venue of the event, Obogu Akanu, time 12 noon. The theme of this year's event is Festival of Peace and Unity, which is being hosted by the Akumba and Adinti H. Great, AKUDI, under the distinguished chairmanship of Chief Sir Michael I. Ibe and a special guest of honor, Dr. Emmanuel Dokalo Ubai, host media, GPN Media Production, and Adamazi TV. Stay tuned to Adamazi TV for the live stream of the event on YouTube. India Kanu.